Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off BeReal notifications. To turn off notification from the BeReal app, first of all, open up the BeReal application on your device. From the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the gear button at the top right. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to select notifications. Now, toggle off any notification types you don't want, like friend post, friend request, new followers, etc. Select the notification type you don't want and toggle off the button right next to it. Make sure that it turns gray. If you don't want any kind of a notification, then you can toggle off all the buttons on this page, and after you do that, you will be able to turn off notification setting in the BeReal app. After doing that, click on Save at the bottom, and that's how you can easily turn off notifications from the BeReal app. Whether you're taking a break from BeReal or just cutting back on distractions, now you know how to silence those notifications. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.